Welcome to this example here where I am going to try to show you a proof that a triangle has three angles which add up to 180 degrees. And we're going to try to show a proof not just by measuring and then adding together and seeing an inductive proof. We're going to try to show using a deductive proof and the facts of parallel lines as well as transversals which go through those parallel lines. Let's explain. Here's our proof. We're going to use two lines. We're going to use the line AB right there and the line YZ, which happen to be parallel lines. Okay, so that means that we're going to be able to use some of the proofs that we know about parallel lines. Second thing that we're going to do here is we're going to put point X on the line AB so that we can create triangle XYZ, which is between the two parallel lines. So this is important that it's a part of those two parallel lines because we can then use it to solve for a triangle. All right, I'm going to include these three angles, G, H, and I. The letters are completely arbitrary, but they happen to be different, which is important. G, H, and I form three separate angles which are going to add to 180 degrees because they are supplemental angles on the line AB. So any angles along the line AB are going to add up to 180 degrees. In this case, it happens to be three angles, G, H, and I. Now that we know that, we can use our parallel lines. I'm going to add angle J there on the bottom. Okay, so right by the Y, I'm not sure if you saw that one pop up. And we're going to understand, based on our parallel line proofs, that G and J, being on alternate sides of our transversal, have to be equal to each other because of the proof interior alternate angles are congruent. They are interior angles between the parallel lines. They are alternate of the transversal, so therefore they are equal to each other. So that's going to be really helpful as we try to make our triangle proof. Second thing that we're going to do here now with the triangle is we're going to take angle K, and on the same principle of interior alternate angles, we're going to understand that I and K are congruent as well, congruent meaning equal, and so therefore we can now replace the G and the I in our equation with J and K. So our three angles, J, H, and K, which make up our triangle, have to be equal to 180 degrees because of the proofs that we have shown. Thank you for watching. All the best as you work through your questions. I hope this has made triangles a little bit clearer on why it's 180 degrees.